In a world that never stops demanding more, what if the real power lies in doing nothing? Just 10 minutes of silence can reset your entire mind. Before we begin, thank you for taking a few quiet moments for yourself. In this fast-paced world, taking time for silent meditation is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Find a peaceful spot where you feel safe and undisturbed. Sit comfortably in your favorite posture. Let's begin. Now, gently bring your focus to your posture. Feel your feet, your hips, and your back gently grounded on the cushion or chair. Stay connected to these physical sensations. Notice how your back presses lightly against the chair. Stay aware of this feeling. When your body starts to feel relaxed and steady, slowly close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath, just as it is. Don't try to deepen it. Don't try to hold it. Let it be natural. This is one of the most essential steps. Don't try to change anything. Trying to fight or fix your inner struggles only keeps them alive. Just stay present with your breath. Now, we'll begin a breath count. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4. Keep counting until you reach 10. If your mind drifts, gently bring it back to the breath and the count. If a strong craving or emotion rises, observe it. If there's no craving right now, imagine one, the kind you often feel and want to understand. Picture it rising within you. Notice, where in your body do you feel it the most? Take a moment to mentally. Note all the sensations in your body. Focus especially on the area where the sensation feels most intense. Now, examine its quality. Is it warm or cold? Sharp or dull? Does it feel heavy or spacious? Watch it with full curiosity. And as you breathe naturally, notice how this sensation changes without doing anything to it. Just stay with it. If thoughts like, "How do I get rid of this craving?" arise, simply acknowledge them. You're not failing. You've just taken 2 steps back to observe. You're watching your emotions, your thoughts, your body from a distance. Remind yourself, there is nothing wrong with you. Craving is a learned behavior. Your brain just wants to feel good. That's all. What you're experiencing is simply a chemical response. Now gently return your focus to your breath. Notice how your sensations and past patterns start to fade just by watching them. Whether they're still loud or growing quieter, stay with the breath. No effort, just presence. Again, let's count. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3. Exhale 4. Go all the way to 10. If your attention drifts again, simply start over. Every time you restart, you'll notice your thoughts and sensations settling more and more. Sometimes quickly, sometimes slowly. Important reminder, stay curious. That's your only task. not expecting anything, just observing. When cravings or difficult emotions start to dissolve, you'll feel lighter, more spacious inside. Gently remind yourself, I am calm. I am grounded. The mind is like a passing cloud. I am the sky. I am always free. My thoughts, my emotions, my cravings, they may pass through me, but they do not define me. So for the next few moments, just rest in this calm space. Feel it. Let it hold you. Let it nourish you. And this brings our spiral mindfulness meditation to a close. Share this video with someone who may need a moment of peace. Come back to this practice whenever you feel overwhelmed. Just 10 minutes a day can completely transform your relationship with craving, emotions, and yourself. Thank you so much for your time. The calm you just felt? That's not temporary. It's always within you. Keep returning to it, and soon, peace won't just be a moment. It'll be your default state. If this brought you peace, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with someone who needs a moment of stillness today. Subscribe for daily meditation that rewires your mind, one breath at a time. Comment, I am the sky, to affirm your inner freedom.